Hello everyone, thanks for clicking. In today's program, we would like to understand about determiners. Determiners are words or group of words that are used before nouns to identify the nouns. Determiners can be classified into the many parts and classifications. But generally, we would like to classify it into the two common classifications. Some of the determiners function as a modifier since they are quantifiers, including the words some, any, few, many, much, a lot of, a large number of, a large amount of, and many other words that we do have as a quantifier that they're going to be used before countable and not countable nouns. determinerها مجموعه کلماتی هستند که قبل از اسم استفاده میشه و به عنوان تعیین کننده ایفای وظیفه میکنن. به شکل عموم determinerها دو تا وظیفه و به دو کاتگوری اصلی تقسیم میشه. تعدادی از determinerهایی که به عنوان modifiers ها استفاده میشه. اینا مجموعه کلماتی هستند که quantifiers ها را شامل میشه. مثلا کلمه some، any, a lot of, few, little و تعداد زیادی از کلمات دیگه. Before jumping to the next part, I'd like to provide some examples to help you better understand. For example, could you bring me some water? The word some here comes before the noun water and it functions as a determiner. He has a lot of friends. A lot of is the word that it comes before the word friend and it works as a determiner. The second type of determiners that we have, they work as identifiers. The speaker would typically use the determiner to identify the particular noun he means. Or if we would like to identify the specific noun or to clarify which noun do we talk, we would typically use a determiner before a noun. You better notice and you better understand that we typically use determiners without considering whether the noun is a singular or plural, whether it's countable or non-countable. We would typically use determiners before all type of nouns. The second type of determiners contain articles in both definite and indefinite articles, possessive words or possessive adjectives, including the word my, your, his, her, its, and many other words. Demonstrative words or demonstrative adjective, including the word this, these, that, those. گروپ دوم determinerها مجموعه کلماتی هستند که قبل از اسم استفاده میشه و تعیین کننده. گوینده به خاطری که بتونه اسم را مشخص کنه که درباره چی اسمی داره صحبت میکنه از determinerها استفاده میکنن که شامل سه کاتگوری میشه. حرفای تعریف، هر دو حرف تعریف، هم حرف تعریف معین و هم حرف تعریف نامعین. صفات ملکی که شامل the word my میشه، your, our, his, her, its و صفات اشاری که 4 تا this, these, that and those. To help you better understand, I'd like to provide you an example. For example, if somebody knocks the door and asks you a chair, he might tell you that, give me the chair. So when he says give me the chair, the word the functions as a determiner since it identifies which chair does he mean. Another example, this book is a nice book. The word this functions as a determiner because it identifies which noun do I talk. So all in all, determiners are a group of words that they come before nouns to help us understand which noun does the speaker particularly talk about it. If you think our programs helps you learn English easier and faster, please do not forget to support us. برای حمایت ما لطف کنید چنل یوتیوب خودتان را سابسکرایب، لایک و کلید زنگوله را فشار بدید. یادتان نره با دوستایی که دوستشان دارین هم به اشتراک بگذارید. I wish you all the best. Thanks.